Hello everybody, this is me again, Ashana, and I'm going to advertise our job for interview on December 10th. That will be Sunday. The interview venue will be in our office in Tokyo at Kanda Station. So the job description for this is meat manufacturing and processing, and the working days for this will be 5 days a week, and the salary starts from 240,000 yen to 280,000 yen, and there will be a nimang or 20,000 yen bonus every month for this. So we are looking for two applicants or two people for this. Again, this is a meat manufacturing and processing located in Minato ward in Tokyo. So if you are willing to apply for this job, please let us know. You can comment down below, or you can also call our office number at 0362068058. Thank you.